Gold and silver stayed in a no trade zone so far for the day. We have seen both the metals respecting the levels here, the zone which we had discussed in no trade zones few hours back with the Asia and Europe session. Now, what to expect with the US session? Can we expect a breakout? And if yes, which direction it is going to be? Where to enter, where to exit? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who it was the first update must have already profited. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, you can see it has consolidated here in zone, then it has come out of this. But I can also notice that the 26, 35, 36 levels have proven out to be a support here. And thus, if you see it trading below 26, 35, 36 is where you can take a selling entry. However, the first support levels as 26, 30, 28 is going to remain the stronger one. Any drop below 26, 38 26, 28, 30 is going to bring further more bearishness today. As long as it stays above this, we have to be careful. What is happening here? See, every rise is offset with a little drop, and that is what is happening. And yes, it is also delivering higher lows and higher highs and still trading in the bullish channel here. So this is something you should keep a note of. On the upside, we know that 2650, 2655 levels are going to remain a greater resistance, breaking beyond which certainly more bullishness may prevail. But right now I can see it struggling at around 2644, 45 levels itself. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has also crossed over, trading with very little divergence. This is a sign of slight bearishness, but nevertheless it has just crossed over, and couple of bullish candles might reverse this crossover and it can continue on the upside. Though, if you look at the move, a stronger bullish move is seen, and a down move cannot be denied here. RSI has just come out of the overbought. Look at the 2 hour charts, flat top, or you can see lower lows, lower highs are seen. The last candle, you can see after delivering lower lows, it has tried to pull back. Now we have to wait for this zone to be taken over, that is below 2638 and 2636. If these two levels are taken, then we can expect a move towards 2630, 28. Now 2630, 28 is going to remain one good support for the day, and then 26, 24, 25. If these two levels are taken, we can expect a stronger down move. See what has happened. This was the drop here, and now with this move it has erased all the losses from this single candle. Now coming to this zone, we can see it getting a stronger resistance, and it is now again trying to take the same direction, that is this one here. Let's see if it continues here on the downside from here. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has seen a good rise. Now the candles are, you can see diminishing body size is seen. It is trying to converge. Wait for a crossover, which will confirm the reversal here. RSI has also dropped on the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, this could be the reversal sign. Lower highs are seen and lower lows are seen. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to trade below 26, 36, 35 levels, which will confirm its further down move. And most important is the support levels at 26, 28, 30. If these two levels are taken, then you can say more bearishness will prevail. See what has happened yesterday. We have seen it taking support from 260605 levels, and see multiple candles respected this zone. Then we have seen this rise. However, it is still not breaking on the upside despite the good bounce back. Now see the move here: drop, retracement, drop, retracement. The second wave is done, and now the third wave is initiating. Possibility of a down move exists strong. The stochastic has dropped from the overbought zone. MACD has seen a good rise. It is trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here. RSI is comfortable. On the 4 hour, now see on the 4 hour charts, uh, look at the last two candles. This could be the main trend. We have seen a swing here, and now the current candle is starting on a flat note. We can see it moving towards lower lows, and the support levels here at 26 till I will say 26, 28, 30. There are very good support, and then 26, 24, 25. Once these two levels are taken, then we can say now gold is, and it may try to crash, else it is still staying in the zone, and right now the stance is very much supportive of the bulls. If you look at the stochastic, this is definitely overbought. The MACD has seen a good rise. Candle sizes have flattened here. A possible crossover on the downside can be expected. Couple of red candles, and then we can say that it may cross over for a down move again. RSI flat. Coming to daily chart, Now look at daily charts. A flat base is seen after the flat base first bullish candle and the second one here. And see, this is happening after six or five red candles. So if you track the movement here, red, green, and then this major trend has appeared. Now it is on the under retracement. And also if you see lower highs and lower lows, it is trading in this bearish channel, not willing to break out. Breakout means we have to wait for a move above 2660 levels in order to confirm the same. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD is bearish and RSI rising. Looking at, before I give you the trading levels now, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, buying entries, ideally we have to wait a little till it breaks the higher resistance at 2654, 55 or 2660, but this appears to be a far beyond level, and thus you can buy here at 2646 and expect it to keep moving towards 2651 50 or 2650 51 first target zone, 2654 55 second, and then 2658 60 the third. Till here, greater resistance available. Beyond 2660, sky is the limit. We can see a stronger up move towards 2666 72 or in fact 2685 levels. Chances for such a strong move, as far as my opinion is concerned, appears to be very less. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 26 36 35. Expect 26 30 28 as the first target level. Below 26 28 30 is where we can see the next target towards 26 24 25. And if this is taken, we will wait for 26 16 18. Breaking below 26 16 18 is where the bears are waiting, and then 26 10 26 05 06, and in fact 2600 can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, is struggling to break beyond 31 30 40 zone. We have seen a sharp down move. Now it is staying in the zone. Now just let it stay below $31 levels. As I have mentioned earlier in the day, 31 is going to remain the prime support. Any drop below 31 should be a good indication that the prices are going to drop further. First support levels below 31 is towards 3080, and if it drops below 3080, we can see more bearish move there, which can take the prices towards 3060 or 3040. And we know that 3040 is the greater milestone now for silver to break. Moving averages crossing over here certainly is a good bullish sign. Prices taking support from the 20 period is also one indication for good indication for the bulls. Stochastic is starting to rise while the MACD, after a good rise, has crossed over. It is trading with divergence, and this candle sizes may increase, which means increasing bearishness here. Let's see if it gives a breakout on the downside. Right now, yes, it is staying in the zone. RSI has dropped. Coming to 2 hour chart, look at the 2 hour charts. Flat top, first bearish candle, consolidation, resistance intact here at 3120, and now trying to take a direction. Any drop below 31 or 3080 should be a very good indication for us to stay with shorts in silver. Now see what has happened. This was the point from which we have seen silver taking a dip. It is again erased all the losses from this candle and now again trying to take the same direction. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit, while RSI is also seen a little drop. On the 3 hour chart, a bit of consolidation. Let it break out here, either which ways, either on the upside or on the downside. I can see it is struggling both ways. Right now, it is very much consolidating its position here. And if you look at the move, the drop, the retracement, and if it breaks out below 30 50 30 40 is where you can say a major crash can be expected. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is rising, trying to converge. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise, on the 4 hour charts, a very good support here on the downside. The resistances are also intact on the upside. Let it take a direction. Till then, you should not take any position. And in fact, even if it breaks beyond 3140, then also we can say it has to break beyond 3160 3180 zone, which is going to remain a prime resistance, and breaking beyond 3160 3180 is where you can say it can head towards the double top levels here. The stochastic coming out of the overbought zone while the MACD is rising and the RSI is staying flat. Now, if you look at the daily chart, see on the daily charts, first rise, then retracement, rise, then retracement. higher lows here, higher highs. It is still very much intact and trading in this bullish channel. Very, very important for silver to trade below 30 in order to take a direction on the downside or confirm a breakout. Also, the moving averages are right now running parallel, not indicating the bearishness as of now, though the bulls are also, you can say, have come to a zone. This was the aggressive bullishness. Now it is almost flattened here. Now also, if you see higher lows here, higher highs. So now at least till 30, 40, 30, 50 levels, we should not be treating this as bearish, because see, it has delivered higher lows. But once it breaks out here, it is going to deliver an extreme move. Right now also today, you can see it is not traded in red so far, and in even if it tries to move towards 30, 40, 30, 50, it can deliver you a very, very good swings. Yes, it can bounce back and recover strong. And on the upside, 3140, 3150, 3160 rather are going to remain a greater resistances. Stochastic trying to rise while the MACD is trading bearish and RSI flat. So looking at, very simple, I will recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 31, where you can expect it to keep moving towards uh 3080, 3075 first, 3055 60 second, and then 31 3040, 3050 levels should appear. Below 3040 is where you can say the bears will take over, else it is still not trading bearish. It can show you swings hitting the lows at 29 3075, 3080. It can again bounce back and recover strong. This one possibility you should not ignore. While on the upside, you can buy here at 31 40 levels, but then 3155 60 should be the nearest resistance. And if it breaks this, then you can say little bullishness will prevail, and then we can aim towards 3180 and $32 levels as the next targets. Trade accordingly now, and do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.